Some individuals may dismiss meditation as unnecessary and disconnected from their daily lives, considering it a waste of time.
They may feel they don't have enough time for it or believe it's only meant for specific religious or spiritual groups. But we have to consider, in a world bustling with constant distractions and stress, finding moments of calm and self-reflection has become increasingly crucial.
Meditation provides a private and sacred space, distant from the chaos and problems of daily life, offering a moment of peace and distance.
Understanding the importance of meditation and its benefits can inspire a shift in our perspective, leading us towards a happier and healthier life.
Hi, welcome to Mind Journey. In this journey, we will explore meditation and its profound impact on our lives.
Let's begin. Meditation is a profound practice embraced by cultures worldwide for centuries that involves sitting or lying down quietly and focusing your attention inward.
Meditation has been found to contribute to feelings of happiness and improved health through various mechanisms. Let's explore some of them.
Stress reduction. Meditation activates the body's relaxation response, leading to a reduction in stress levels.
It acts as a reset button for the mind and body, creating a space where one can temporarily detach from the external stressors of life.
By calming the mind and releasing tension from the body, it promotes a sense of inner peace and contentment.
Emotional regulation. Regular meditation practice helps develop emotional intelligence and self-awareness.
It allows individuals to observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, which can lead to greater control over negative or destructive emotions.
When we learn to control our emotions in a positive way, we become better at supporting our loved ones and facing challenges.
Increased mindfulness. Meditation cultivates mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the current moment.
By paying attention to the present moment without being carried away by worries about the past or future, individuals can experience greater joy and satisfaction in everyday activities. Neural changes. Meditation can produce structural and functional changes in the brain.
It can increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, responsible for emotional regulation and decision-making, while decreasing the size of the amygdala, associated with fear and stress responses.
These changes can positively influence the structure and function of the brain, leading to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind.
Improved physical health. Meditation has been linked to several physical health benefits, such as lower blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and the risk of heart disease, improved sleep, and immune system function. When the body is healthier, it can support overall happiness and well-being.
Better self-care. Regular meditation practice encourages self-care and self-awareness. It prompts individuals to prioritize their mental and physical well-being, leading to healthier lifestyle choices, including exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient rest.
It can help you adapt to changes, build strong relationships, and recover from setbacks.
Meditation is a transformative journey that goes beyond immediate benefits.
As individuals embark on this path, they gradually uncover deeper layers of insight, growth, and self-discovery. Remember, your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. Bye.